Hello friends, today I'm going to share you one more indicator strategy. By this indicator strategy, you can achieve more than 50 to 60% of accuracy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search Adams Killer. In the settings, make the hours 45 minutes. Add one more indicator for more accuracy. UT bot alerts. Now both the indicators are applied. When the Adams Killer Cloud indicator turns into green and the UT Watt alerts indicator gives you the buy signal, buy the call. When the Adams Killer Cloud indicator turns into red, along with that UT Watt alert indicator gives you the sell signal, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.